This is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. Funnel clouds possible this afternoon. Atmospheric conditions exist today across northern Ohio that favor the potential formation of weak circulations. Some of these circulations are occurring underneath developing showers and thunderstorm where a funnel cloud may develop. Low-hanging clouds can also appear to dig up and down at times, but they will not show signs of any rapid rotation. An actual funnel cloud will exhibit spinning in a counterclockwise direction. In rare occasions, these funnel clouds may briefly touch down. Stay alert and be prepared to move to a safe shelter if a funnel cloud approaches the ground. Report funnel clouds and possible tornado occurrences to local law enforcement and the National Weather Service.